Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a beautiful flower that is grown in meadows, gardens, and wildflower fields around the world. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as daisy, daisy, day, see, daisy. Daisies have charming appearance, featuring white petals and a bright yellow center. They symbolize innocence and purity, and their cheerful look can brighten any garden or bouquet. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about daisy, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.